friends, welcome to BSc Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about some points about dot product. Some points about dot product. So in dot product, we already learned if A bar dot B bar means AB cos theta. This is the main point. Okay. So here when they will ask like this. They give dot product and the magnitude of AB. They will ask to find the cos theta value. Okay. Cos theta value. So cos theta equals to A bar dot B bar by AB. Okay. So this is the very important point. Cos theta means A bar dot B bar by AB. When we have to find angle. Okay. And dot product topic is completed. We will do some problems. And the first problem, what is the cosine angle between these two vectors? We already learned the formula cos theta equals to A bar dot B bar by mod A mod B, which means magnitudes of this A bar vector and this B bar vector. Okay. So here cos theta equals to A bar dot B bar means dot product. First we have to find dot product. I into I, which means 1. Dot product is 1 because there are no components with J and K. So we have to take only I. So here I magnitude is 1 and I magnitude is also 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So the dot product is 1 by the magnitude of this vector, which means root over 1 square, 2 square plus magnitude of k 1 square. Okay. So root over 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 1, which means root over 6. Okay. Here root over 1 square, which means root over 1, which means 1 only. So in the denominator 1 into root 6. Okay. So 1 by root 6 is the cosine angle between these two vectors. Okay. So we can write this as cos inverse of 1 by root 6 also. Okay. So this is the first sum. And I will explain again. What is the cosine angle between these two vectors? Which means first dot product means I into I because there are no vectors by the components of J and K. So here I into I means 1. So dot product is 1 by magnitude. Magnitude is root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 2 and plus 4 root 6. Okay. And here root 1 square, which means 1. So denominator 1 into root 6. So 1 by root 6 is the cosine angle between these two vectors. Okay. So this is the first sum. And the next sum. If A bar equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap, find a vector perpendicular to A bar. Here we already learned if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then the dot product is A bar dot B bar is 0. Okay. So they gave that A bar equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap. If I multiply with 4i cap minus 3j cap. If I multiply 3i cap plus 4j cap dot 4i cap minus 3j cap, then the dot product is 3 into 4, 12 minus, because 4 into minus 3 means minus 12. So the dot product is 0. Okay. So the vector is 4i cap minus 3j cap. This is only one possibility to get dot product is 0. Okay. So these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So this is second sum. And the third sum, given that a bar equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap and b bar equals to 4j cap minus 3k cap, find a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar means dot product. So we have to find dot product of these two vectors, 3i cap plus 4j cap dot 4j cap minus 3k cap. Okay, we have to do dot product with given components. Here the common component is 4j. So we have to do only 4j because other vectors are 0. So we cannot define. So 4 into 4, 16. So the dot product of these two vectors is 16. Okay. And the fifth sum is the angle between the two vectors a bar equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap and b bar equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. We already learned the formula cos theta equals to dot product by mod a mod b, which means magnitudes of these two vectors. Okay. So a bar dot b bar means dot product. So dot product means 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into 4, 16 minus 5 into plus 5, minus 25. So both are cancelled and the dot product is 0. 0 by mod a mod b means 0 only. And 0 by anything means 0. So the cos theta equals to 0 means the possibility of theta is 90 degrees. Okay. I will explain again. They gave two vectors and they are asking to find the angle between these two vectors. Dot product is 0. So the 0 by anything means 0. So the maximum value of theta is 90 degrees. Possible value. Okay. So this is the angle between these two vectors. Okay. And the sixth sum, the cosine angle between a bar equals to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and b bar equals to I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. This is k. And we already learned formula cos theta equals to a bar dot b bar by mod a mod b. Okay. So dot product is I into minus I means minus 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 4 minus 1 means 3. So dot product 3 by magnitude of this vector root 6. How it formed? See. Here the magnitude of this vector is root over 1 square plus 2 square minus 1 square. Okay. So root over 1 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. It becomes root 6. So root 6 into the magnitude of this vector also root 6, because root over minus 1 square means 1 plus 1 square means 1 plus minus 2 square means plus 4. Okay, it is also root 6 only. So into root 6 is equals to 3 by root 6 into root 6 means we can write like this also, root over 6 into 6, because both are square roots only. So here root over 6 into 6 means 36, root over 36 means 6. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 twos are. So half is the angle between these two vectors. Okay, I will explain again. Here we already learned cos theta formula, dot product by magnitudes. So here dot product is 3 and the vector's magnitude is root 6 into root 6. So root 6 into root 6 we can write as root over 6 into 6. Root over 6 into 6 means root over 36. Root over 36 means 6. Okay, so here 3 by 6 half, which is also 0.5. Okay, here another important point. Here when we get cos theta equals to half, we can write theta equals to cos inverse of half, because if cos is transferred to this side, we can write as cos inverse of half. Okay, so this is sixth sum. And the seventh sum, a force of 3I cap plus 4j cap newtons acts on a body and displaces it by 3I cap plus 4j meters, then the work done is. Here work formula is force dot S bar. Okay, we have to do dot product. So 3I cap plus 4j cap dot 3I cap plus 4j cap. Okay, so if you did dot product, 3 into 3 9 plus 4 into 4 16, which means 25 joules is the work. Okay, how it forms means, how work is dot product means work and linear velocity, torque, these are all used by dot product. Okay, so this is seventh sum. And the eighth sum, a bar dot b bar equals to 0, dot product is 0, then the angle between a bar and b bar means 90 degrees. When a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other, dot product is 0, because a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta. Here the theta value is 90, so here cos 90 means 0, so total value becomes 0. Okay, so the dot product of two perpendicular vectors is 0. Okay, and the ninth sum, a force of 5I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, okay, moves from R1 means distance 1, distance 2, R1 is 3I cap plus 4j cap to 4I cap plus 6j cap. Then work done is, here we already learned work done is force dot S bar. Here first we have to calculate the displacement. R2 minus, here delta R means R2 minus R1. So 4I cap minus 6j cap minus of 3I cap plus 4j cap. Okay, so here 4I cap plus 6j cap minus of plus minus 3I cap minus of plus minus 4j cap, and here 4I cap minus 3 cap I cap and 6j cap minus 4j cap minus 2 I cap plus 2, because this is so this is displacement, and here force is 5I cap minus 3J cap plus K cap dot I cap plus 2J cap. Here K component is not there, so we have to do only IJ components. So 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. So here minus 1 joule is the work done. Okay. So this is the ninth sum. And today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.